In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clean your Xbox Series X and reduce loud fan noise. Before we do even get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it is important to note that you're going to need a cloth, a Torx T8 security screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and some compressed air. But essentially just flip your console around, remove the two stickers on the very back, and under those you're going to find screws. Just remove them. From here, use your pry tool and just carefully work around the edges of the back panel until it comes off. And once it's off, wipe down any visible dust and then look for the heat sink. This is where the airflow actually passes through and dust usually builds up. It's usually just going to have a lot of dust on it between the fins. Clean it with your cloth. And then, of course, use compressed air to clean out anything stuck inside. After that, look at the fan at the top, do the exact same thing. Remove the screws, but before taking the fan out itself, disconnect the cable carefully and only remove the small connector, not the entire wiring. Once the fan is out, clean both sides using your cloth, and then of course you can also use a little bit of rubbing alcohol with a cotton swab if needed. And then of course clean it up with compressed air to remove any remaining dust. And when the console is already open, you might as well take a moment to wipe down the insides as well. But once everything's clean, reconnect the fan, screw it back in, reattach the back panel, and then after that, you are good to go, and your Xbox should be cleaner and running a lot smoother. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.